Most Shopify brands lose thousands during Black Friday, Cyber Monday because they miss easy wins. After 10 years running BFCM campaigns driving millions of sales, I boiled it down to 29 tweaks that boost sales fast. Each takes under 10 minutes, so you can do it this week. First, create a collection page for BFCM. We did this in 10 minutes for Verena Street Coffee to target the search Black Friday coffee sales. It was built only 2 weeks before the sale event, but still brought in 4,500 impressions and 163 clicks in new traffic of people looking to buy. Even if it's last minute, this quick win drives search visibility. 2. Shipping rename. In Shopify, go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, then General Shipping Rates. Rename your fastest option to something like fastest delivery in Australia, Black Friday special. Customers love seeing speed plus urgency baked into the checkout. 3. Insert a site-wide banner. Add a persistent banner highlighting your sale. Many Shopify themes support this under Online Store, Customize. Create your own section using ChatGPT. If your theme can't do this, install a free app like Yep's announcement bar. Use bold contrasting colors and short urgent copy like Black Friday, 40% off ends midnight. 4. Nail your core offer, the most important tactic. Your offer is the massive influence on how much profit you make over BFCM. One of my clients ignored fancy campaigns and instead doubled down on their most profitable product. This product reliably drove the highest lifetime value. They bundled it with a small gift. I ran lean ads and turned BFCM into the best quarter ever. Forget store-wide discounts. Focus on products with high repeat purchase or cross-sell potential. Options include bundles of 3 with a discount, free gift above a spend threshold, small add-ons that raise perceived value but don't crush margins. A strong offer unlocks everything else. Weak offers will equal wasted ads. 5. Preload discounts in Shopify. Never make customers type in coupon codes. Update product prices directly or use Shopify's automatic discount feature. Every extra click or customer confusion costs you conversions. Onto email. Duplicate your welcome flow. Email marketing during a sale can be mind-numbing as there's a lot of once-off work. During BFCM, your new subscribers need a version of your welcome flow that sells hard. To save time, duplicate your existing workflow in Klaviyo, then edit the first emails, messaging, and imagery to promote the Black Friday offer. Emphasize urgency. This turns your most opened email to a hard revenue driver. Add a BFCM email capture pop-up. To make this welcome flow work even better, run an email capture pop-up form that promotes the BFCM sale. Make it dead simple, saying it's a Black Friday sale, what the offer is, and a field to capture the email. Once the sale ends, disable it. Next year, just turn it back on. Insert a BFCM header block in every email. Create a reusable template block in Klaviyo. Background color black or your brown color. 40 to 100 pixels tall with bold text like get 45% off Black Friday sale. Drop it into every email flow so every message reinforces your sale. This will lift the revenue per recipient of every single email automation that goes out. This is a bonus profit driver that increases your profit every sale you run. Don't delete this template block in all your emails. When the sale ends, just edit the design to be hidden with simple CSS. When a new sale launches, update the block and you've got all of your flows instantly promoting your sale for real urgency and extra profit. Play offense with email and SMS. Blast your SMS list during this time. BFCM is all about playing offense. I'm talking at least 2 emails and 1 text a day. When it comes to the big days of Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you can double that per day. Unsubscribing just means a lower Klaviyo bill for you. This is the weekend your list has been waiting for, so don't be shy. Always send out a few emails and SMS a few hours before the sale ends to rake in extra sales. Optimize abandoned cart timing. Tighten abandoned cart sequences to hit harder and faster. Aim for 3 emails inside 48 hours, 1 within 1 hour, 1 after 12 hours, and the 3rd the next day. This works especially well during the BFCM urgency window. You might already have this set up, so just check and move on. Onto Facebook ads. Keep your usual Facebook ads running. Don't pause your best evergreen campaigns. Year after year, I've seen proven ads outperform special BFCM creative. Stability matters. I've never seen ads that have performed well throughout the year do badly during BFCM. Duplicate dynamic ads with frames. Running Advantage Plus catalog ads Pause them, then duplicate your ad sets and add a bold BFCM frame overlay. Add BFCM specific copy in the primary text. I found this to outperform plain creatives in the sale period. Skin proven creative. This is the quickest hack I have to make high performing BFCM ads. Reuse your top performers from the past 90 days, last BFCM or holiday campaigns. Just reskin with a simple BFC theme. Add BFCM stickers, overlays, or sale headlines. Now isn't the time to experiment. Create a simple static image. Every brand should have one no-frills static image with a sale offer as the headline. Customers scrolling the feed are hunting for deals, so don't overcomplicate it. Lean into gift messaging. Gifting becomes particularly important during this period. Black Friday is right before December, so frame the offer as the perfect time to stock up on gifts for friends and family. Push bundles, cost savings, and give assurance with returns and exchanges. This makes bigger baskets feel like smart, practical choices. If you want to test it, you can run a promotion on gift cards, which can give bonus profit because they often go unredeemed. Depend on urgency and scarcity. Urgency and scarcity are two principles of influence you can dial up throughout the campaign. On the website, you can have countdown timers. In creative, you can use stickers on static images like sold out last year, as well as mentioning it in the ad copy. Mention stock limits, explicit return guarantees, and when the sale ends. The little trust signals convert fence sitters. Pace spending with MER, which is sales divided by ad spend, to scale budget safely. Increase spend 20 to 50% every few hours as long as the MER stays on target. Track directly in Shopify for the most accurate sales data. Check your credit card limits. Nothing kills momentum like your ads shutting off mid-sale. Call your bank in advance. Ensure your card limit can handle your full budget. If you can't spend money on your ads, they're doing nothing. Raise the Facebook ad spend limits. Meta caps daily spend to prevent unpaid bills. Go to billings and payments and look at accounts. Then find a daily spending limit. Check that you're happy with it. And if not, request a higher limit from Facebook support ahead of time so you don't hit a ceiling. Add a backup credit card. While you're in billings and payments, add a second card now. Every year, accounts get restricted when a payment method fails. This is free insurance against lost sales. Onto Google Ads. Boost Google daily budgets. When the campaigns do well, budgets cap out. Remove bottlenecks in Google Ads by raising daily budgets before the sale. Campaigns with good performance history can handle the scale. Apply seasonal bid adjustments. Look at last year's BFCM conversion rate lift. Add a seasonal bid adjustment for that percentage difference. It lets Google ramp up bids during the surge, then ramp down after, preventing waste. Without this, your ads will underperform at the start of the sale, then overspend after the sale. Leverage merchant promotions. Use Google merchant promotions to stand out in shopping results. Google's promotion requirements say the promotion cannot be reflected on the landing page, so don't bother submitting your main BFCM offer. It'll only get rejected. The trick is to give something extra like an additional $5 off with a unique coupon. Duplicate and label BFCM ads. In Google Ads Editor, duplicate your best ads and add one BFCM specific headline and one BFCM specific description. Apply a label like BF Ads 2025. You can then schedule the ads to go live based on this label and turn off at the right time, while also easily reporting on the performance of BFCM ads. Add countdown timers in search ads. Nothing drives clicks like urgency in headlines. Black Friday ends in 6 hours. The coolest thing is this timer can be real-time and accurate. Copy this headline code that will appear on the screen and use that as your headline in your BFCM ad. The countdown syntax can get a bit confusing, so use AI to help format it. Add a Black Friday site link. Send traffic directly to your most important BFCM landing page with a dedicated site link asset. In the site link description, summarize your offer. Configure the dates to run only during the sale period. This way, you don't have to manually enable or disable the site link. Use a BFCM callout. Callouts are free real estate under your ad copy. The BFCM messaging might get repetitive with all the other BFCM Google Ads assets going on, so consider using something like massive discounts or week. Add price extensions. Highlight your most discounted or most popular products with price extensions. These make your ad stand out and show buyers immediate value. Add promotion asset. Promotion assets in Google Ads are powerful, but most brands set them once and forget them. Instead, create multiple versions for the sale period with different start and end dates. There's one for Black Friday that you can run most of the time. Then there's also a promotion asset for Cyber Monday. This keeps your ads fresh and makes every click feel time sensitive. When creating the asset, select the account level so it applies to all your campaigns. Most Shopify stores hit a ceiling because the Google ads are bleeding profit based on simple misconfigurations. If you don't fix these settings, your ad spend goes to waste. Click here to watch my best training on Google Ads so you can scale your Shopify store right now and after any BFCM sale.